watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss, that is, determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 as a factor. So here they are given that x plus 1 as a factor or not, we have to check. According to factor theorem, so we'll have one theorem, that is factor theorem. Let's check. F of x is a polynomial. Let's take g of x is a factor for that. So g of x is factor for that. Let's take function will be x plus a, like that. Then if you substitute x value in this, so what is this? X plus a will be equal to 0. So then x is equals to minus a. So if you substitute minus a in the function, given function, then it will become 0. If it is a z of x is a factor for f of x, then f of minus a is equals to 0. That is our factor theorem. So let's take first one, x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. This one, let's take f of x is a function. Then what is the factor they are telling? That is, g of x will be equal to x plus 1. Then x plus 1 will be equal to 0. Then x is equals to minus 1. So if you substitute x is equals to minus 1 in this, then we should get 0. Then we can say, so substitute f of minus 1 will be equal to minus 1 whole cube minus minus 1 whole square minus of minus x plus 1. That will be equal to, here odd number came, for that it is minus 1, we will get minus of minus into minus plus, here even number, so that 1 we will get minus into minus, that is here minus 1, sorry. So minus into minus plus 1, then plus 1. So here minus 2 plus 2, it will go into 0. Then what you can say, therefore x plus 1 is a factor of f of x, that is x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. Yes, it is a factor. Like this we need to solve. Next question is, so what is our next one here? So here x plus 1, g of x will be equal to x plus 1, then x is equals to minus 1. We have to equate with a 0. Then substitute f of x will be equal to what? Second one, x power 4 minus x cube plus x square minus x plus 1. So substitute in the place of minus 1, in the place of this minus 1 whole power 4 minus of minus 1 whole cube. We should not include minus here. Why? Because in x place only we are substituting minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 1. So 4 here there. So for that it is even. So minus 1 whole power 4, what is that? Even number, right? For that 1 we will get minus 1 whole power cube, that is odd place, for that it will become minus 1 only. Then here minus into even number, that is minus into minus, that is 1, minus into minus will become plus 1, then plus 1. So it is 1 minus into minus will be plus 1 plus 3, then what we will get in 5. So this is not equal to 0. For that what you can say, therefore x plus 1 is not factor of x power 4 minus x cube plus x square minus x plus 1. So this is not a factor. Why? Because it's not equal to 0. Our next one is, what is that? Third one, x power 4 f of x will be equal to x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1. Then what is the factor they are telling? G of x will be equal to x plus 1. Then x is equals to, equate with a 0. Then x is equals to minus 1. Substitute here minus 1. Then if you get 0, then that is the factor. So let's substitute in this, minus 1 whole power 4 plus 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus 2 into minus 1 whole square plus of minus 1 plus 1. So here even number came, for that 1 will come, plus 2 into, here odd number came, so for that minus 1 as it is. So plus 2 into, here 1 even number, for that plus 1 will get, plus into minus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus into minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. So here minus 2 plus 2 will going to cancel, then plus 1 minus 1 will going to cancel, we will get 1, it is not equal to 0. So for that what you can say, x plus 1 is not factor of x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1. So this is not factor of that. Next one, Fourth one, last one is x cube. So f of x will be equal to x cube minus x square minus of 3 minus root 3 into x plus root 3. So here g of x, that is a factor that telling x plus 1 equal with a 0, then x is equals to minus 1. So let's substitute x value in this one. So minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole square. Whatever symbols like that only we have to write 3 root 3 into. So x is what? Minus 1 plus root 3. Then minus 1 whole power cube. So why? Because minus 1 whole power cube. So it is an odd number. Then what you can take it here is minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square is. So what is this? 1 we will get. So we have to multiply with this minus into minus. So minus 1 you can write here 3 minus root 3 plus root 3. So let's take here minus 1 write minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 into 3 minus root 3 plus root 3. So here minus 1 is called, what is this? Minus 2 plus 1 into 3 plus into minus root 3. So plus root 3. So minus root 3 plus root 3 will going to cancel. Then what you will get? Minus 2 plus 3, 1. 1 is not equal to 0. Here is x plus 1 is not a factor of x cube minus x square minus of 3 minus root 3 into x plus root 3, like this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.